Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go, maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect for the holidays, especially if you are into Legos, because it is the Legos Christmas picture frame setup. This is a fun little build to do as a family or for a kiddo or for yourself. So this is set number 40702. It's going to be designed for ages 8 and up, and it comes with a total of 209 pieces. Obviously, it comes with a very easy to follow instruction booklet. You're also going to get plenty of little spare pieces for the little ones. And then as you can see, here is what it looks like. And it holds a standard 4x6 frame or 4x6 photo, if you will. And you can put it in 2 positions. So I have it right here in the horizontal. However, you can lift this up and then go ahead and put it in the vertical if you so wish. It's really cleverly designed because the little bells here, they move depending on whichever position you want to put them in. And then as you can see here on the front, you have a Christmas tree, a gingerbread house, a reindeer, a snowman, etc. on here. Now, as far as the back, very easy. You're just gonna go ahead and has these little kind of tilted Lego pieces. That is what's going to hold the picture in place. And then you even have these little kind of tan little frames, if you will, that keeps it nice and positioned in the frame so that way it doesn't wiggle out or slide to either side. So it's really, really cleverly designed. Now, it doesn't take up a lot of space here. It's about 8 inches wide, about 6 inches in height, and about 2.5 inches in depth. Obviously, the height, you're gonna flip that if you are going to go ahead and have it in the vertical position, then it is obviously a lot taller. But overall, it's a really cool build. If you are looking for some great little holiday decor to add around your home that is Lego themed, this is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you look curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.